Hello there, in this video we're going to see some simple compliments you can give to your colleagues. Very important to improve the atmosphere at your job, to be a good person as well, but much more important than being a good person, I'm joking there, is to show your colleagues you're learning Dutch. And also when you're just giving a quick compliment in between a conversation, then they'll be like, okay, he's doing the effort of, or she, you are doing the effort of making a compliment in Dutch. And it's also not something that will, lead to difficult discussions. They'll just be like, while you've given them a compliment, they will give you a compliment back. So let's take a few simple examples you can use at your job. So first one, goed gedaan. Well done. Goed gedaan. Second one, je bent de beste. You are the best. Goed bezig means you're doing a good job. Just 2 words for you're doing a good job. Yeah, goed bezig. You're doing well, something like that. Number 4, super. Mind the pronunciation, super. Right? Well, I don't need to translate that one. Really good, super. Right? Bedankt. Ga zo door. Thank you. Go on like this. Zo means like this. Ga door, go on. Continue like this. Alright, and bedankt, thanks. Okay. Goed werk. Good job. Goed werk. And dat heb je snel gedaan. You've done it fast. So snel, fast. That is, you've done it or you've done that fast. Then heb je gedaan, you have done. All right. And then the last one, a bit longer, but very good and interesting. Ik ben blij dat je in mijn team zit. I am happy that you are in my team, or that you're sitting in my team, but not literally. So, ik ben blij dat je in mijn team zit. If you're living in Flanders and you use this compliment, some people might laugh a lot. And the reason for laughing a lot is probably not your accent or maybe the little mistake you make, or they're not laughing at you. They're laughing with the context in which this phrase is used. And the context is a brilliant series called Het Eiland. It's a Flemish series that is and was very popular and very funny too. So if you're looking for a series to watch more Dutch from Flanders, feel free to check out Het Eiland. It's based on The Office. If you know the series The Office, it also takes place in an office. It's a sitcom, and Het Eiland actually means the island, but also the aisle. So that's those little things in the office where people sit at. So they're sitting with 3 or 4 together in an aisle, and that's Het Eiland. That's why the title is Het Eiland. And the situation in which this compliment is used is when there's a boss and he didn't want to be a boss, and actually he's not doing really a good job as a boss, and he just had a training in motivating his team members, and the person that taught these compliments also said, ik ben blij dat je in mijn team zit. And then the boss, when one of his employees, very funny scene, is starting to be really mad at him for some reason, and then he doesn't know, the boss doesn't know how to react, and then he reads on the board, ik ben blij dat je in mijn team zit. And it's really completely inappropriate, but also very funny. So if you want to give a compliment to one of your team members, or just give a compliment, they might laugh a lot if they know that scene. So, all right. use compliments a lot. It gives you also a lot of good vibes back from people, and people will be really happy that you're learning, and they will be like, oh, well, nice. It's a much better way to learn Dutch than or any language, than by using swear words or anything, because, that's not really good. If you can give a good compliment, then people will be really happy and they will encourage you to learn on. Because, when you can say, ik ben blij dat je in mijn team zit, then they know that you're on a good track. All right. What compliments have you already given at work? Feel free to write them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to this awesome channel. Tot ziens.